Yo guys, what is up? I am back with another video. This video is actually going to be about... Hey, I'm filming in here!
Sorry. How about we shut the door all the way?
Okay.
Oh, from the cord would
There we go. So, I'm actually doing a different video unboxing. So, first, I'm just going to show you this. This Spider-Man figure looks like this Amazing Spider-Man 2 film. The one with Andrew Garfield and stuff. Normal. I don't know when I got this, but this was an old figure. It's not really that detailed. Next, we have this Legend Series Iron Spider from Infinity War. So here, what it looks like on the back, you have that, and then you have the other people you can get. Iron Man, Captain America, I already have him. The next one is Proxima Midnight. The next one is Taskmaster. The next one is Marvel's Songbird. And the next one is Terrapin Society. So, and with all of those, you get a piece of Thanos. And in this one, you have a leg of Thanos. So, if I get all of the other ones, I will get all the other pieces. So, before I unbox that, I need to show you guys this. I got this today for Christmas. And it's actually the Carnage one. I already unboxed it. I'm just going to show you guys this. And it's from the Venom thing. So the other characters you can get Venom. I already have Carnage. You can get Marvel's Poison. Then Spider-Ham, which is like a pig. And then Marvel's Scream. And then Marvel's Three-Foyted Mary. I don't know. Just look how detailed this guy is. He has his hand right here and his like shield weapon thing. You can put different hands on him. You just undo the other hands and you can get these. And it also comes with Venom's head. I don't know why it comes with Venom's head. And it didn't come with this head on it. It came with Cletus Cassidy's head on it, but I just replaced it. So that looks sick. So, look at this old puny Spider-Man. It's not that bad, but... Now look at this bad boy Iron Spider. Let's unbox this. I should have really brought scissors. Hey, can I have scissors? Comparison of these two PS4 controllers. Do you see a difference? This one's PS4 Pro. This one's PS4. Same thing, but just... You know, this one's smoother. Come on, bring him in then. Oh, and the Cletus Cassidy. Oh, it comes with the Venom head because you can. It's a freaking build a thing, build a figure. You can build Monster Venom. Where he's huge. You guys don't see it right there. This bad lighting in here. I also got a new camera. I'll be using that. I'm not using it right now, but like, I got one. So I got his head on the first one, which is like the best piece. That's cool. Can I have scissors? Oh my gosh. I thought they were getting them. I got my scissors here. Just try to cut this really carefully. Look at this. Look at this Venom head. So detailed. I also made a Venom picture. Maybe make a video on that. That's it. Oh my god, I keep this box too, man. This box is the best part. Not really, but there it is. Let's take out the Thanos first. Look at how big that leg is, dude. Put the armor right there, the gold armor. Let's take out the real masterpiece. Oh my god. He even has his hand shaped like he's shooting a web. This one's better. Pick your vote. Which one do you think is better? Honestly, I know which one's better. Bruh! Alright, for real though. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh my god, oh my, oh my, oh my.